Hello guys, if you're a graphic designer, these are my 3 AI tools that I recommend you use to work faster as a graphic designer. The first one to surprise you with is ChatGPT. This one is the globally known and very important AI that you need to know as a graphic designer. Do you know that if you give your design concept to AI, it can actually improve on that for you? For instance, I just asked ChatGPT to suggest some nice green color combinations that can work for my design as a creative expert, and it gave me some sample color combinations with the various color codes, and you can do many more than just this. The second one we have is Reve.ai. Reve.ai has been helping me over the past months now, and this is how it has been. Now I designed some couple of flower banners for a colleague, and I just gave this image to Reve.ai to put them on a billboard, and I attached the billboards, and immediately it was able to place all these flower banners on these billboards, and these are very nice. Try this and let me know how it helps you in the comment section below. And there's more to this that you can do. Just give your image to Reve.ai and just ask it to manipulate. For instance, if your client asks you to give multiple designs, just give this to Reve.ai and ask it to change the color theme. That's one way to make a varying designs. So just give your way to Reve.ai and ask it to do whatever you want it to do. And please pay attention to the output, because sometimes Reve.ai can change some details unknowingly. So just monitor those things. The last but not the least is Google Gemini. Google Gemini has been doing so well and now popular among cyber users. Okay, and this is what it does. It works similar like the Reve.ai, but this has more allowances for unlimited usages. For instance, the Reve.ai gives some couple of usages for some days. Okay, so Gemini works very well. You can also give it images and ask it to improve for you and to improve for you, just like the Reve.ai. So try these tools as let me know how this helps you in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are first time over here. Share and like this video. Till I see you again, stay blessed.